All right, this is Deserve, the Derma roller that we're going to use with the elixir. Okay, the damage reversal elixir oil. Now, this beautiful client is now growing hair. Look at this hair, all this hair. So, for those of you out there who are seeing that you're having hair, I want to show you how not to pull the hair into the derma roller. So what you're going to do is make sure you can part the hair, because now we got a lot of length. And you're just going to roll within the part. You're going to V your hand and you're going to roll in the middle, right? That way you can hold the hair down on the left and the right. You will proceed to do that, and you'll go around the entire head with 6 strokes, and you'll do that 2 more times. So I go to another section, I hold the hair down, and I proceed to roll 6 strokes. I'm just going to roll, and then I go to another section, making sure that I'm not pulling up any hair. Log on to our website at deservehealthyhair.com, where you can thicken your hair with the derma roller and the elixir, okay, which will stop the itching. It will thicken the hair. Men, your beards, you can use it on your face, as well as women missing edges, cowlicks, or thinning hair. This beautiful person has grown the hair, but they've graduated. Remember to V and roll 3 times with 6 strokes. Space out how many times you roll a week. So you can roll Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday if you choose. You do that 3 times. But every day you will put the elixir on twice a day, morning and night. I hope this was helpful for you. Log on to our website at deservehealthyhair.com, because you simply deserve it.